Hi, my name is Joseph Shannon, and I have a law firm called Shannon Law Group. One of the things that we do at our law firm is help people that have suffered traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs. These are serious cases that need representation for you to help your family in times of need. In 2019, there were 61,000 traumatic brain injury related deaths in America. That's a lot. But what I really want to talk about is the traumatic brain injuries that don't cause death, but cause lingering problems for the person that was injured for a lifetime. We've seen a lot of these types of cases in car crashes, semi-crashes, other type of traumatic injuries such as workers, construction injuries, nursing home falls, that type of thing. Basically, a traumatic brain injury occurs when some sort of trauma happens that causes the brain to be injured. Now, it causes a disruption in brain function. And a lot of times, this cannot be detected by MRI or CT scan. Sometimes it can, but a lot of times it can't. And so this type of injury is very delicate because you as a person are feeling this every single day, whether it's a headache that lasts for a long time, whether it's losing your ability to remember things, whether it's having a sensation of not being able to say the right things that come to your mind. These types of disruptions in your brain have been caused by a trauma. Now, not all cases in which somebody suffers a traumatic brain injury are cases that we get involved in. When do we get involved? Well, we get involved when your traumatic brain injury was caused by the negligence or recklessness of another person or a company. Say, for example, you're driving down the roadway and you're on the expressway and a semi-truck driver falls asleep at the wheel and slams into you. This will typically cause a traumatic injury. We've seen more and more that with the amazing technology in vehicles to protect the occupant, seen a lot is what we call Contracoup injuries, because the brain is ensconced in the skull but has the ability to move. So what happens in high-speed traumatic injuries is that the brain will be slammed up against the side of the skull, causing a coup or a blow to the head. This is very serious and can cause lifelong problems. So our job, when we do get a type of case like this, is to make sure that our clients are seen by the top specialists in this field, neurologists or neurosurgeons that understand the brain, understand the functions of the brain, understand what a healthy brain looks like and what an unhealthy brain looks like. So these types of folks are the first people that clients should go see to make sure that they have whether or not they have a traumatic brain injury and what kind of treatment they can get for their injuries.